Hey there, it's Justin, and today I'm going to be making a pull-up bar. Now, I had a gym that I made and I pulled it apart because it was just so bulky. Here's some pictures of that. Today, it's time to take down the old gym. I made this gym, but it's just too bulky. So, time to take it down. At any rate, I want another pull-up bar, and this one I'm going to put in my hallway, and I'm just going to use a 2x4. This 3/4 inch by 36 inch black pipe I got at Home Depot, and I'm going to drill a hole with a Forstner bit for the black pipe to sit in, and some 3-inch screws to put it into the wall. Let's see how this works.
Alright, I just cut my 2x4s at 12 inches, which is plenty of room. And I'm just going to square it off and use my miter saw. You could use any saw, but I love using my miter saw because it's a cool tool. Alright, I'm going to sand it down a little bit just to make sure there's no splinters or burrs. I marked the holes for the bar at 9 inches. And just another mount. I'm going to use a Forstner bit. I'm going to drive it about halfway down the 2x4. And I'm going to kind of circle it around a little, wiggle it around a little bit just to make sure there's enough room for the bar to fit in there. Alright, I'm also going to pre-drill holes for my 3-inch screws. I countersink them and drill all the way through. Alright, make sure the pipe fits in the hole that I drilled for with the Forstner bit, and it does, which is great. So that's going to work out. Now that I've used the blocks to measure it out, and now I know what to cut the bar at. I'm just using a hacksaw to cut the bar. Now, I've already put one block up, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to kind of wiggle the bar into that first hole so that the other side has a chance to go in there, has a chance to slide onto the wall. There we go, right there. Alright, now I'm just sink it into place with some screws. These are the 3-inch screws. That way I make sure that I'm getting past the drywall and into the stud. And it'll be nice and strong. Now it's not really pretty sitting there, so I'm going to paint this. Try to make it match the hallway. And I'm using high temperature electrical tape here. You could also use medical tape. Work great. And there we go. Nice and strong pull-up bar. And there we go. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. Share and subscribe, and you have yourself a blessed day.